Hey guys, so if you watched yesterday's video, we were talking about starting seeds indoors and the light requirements, heat requirements, air circulation, all that kind of thing. And I mentioned that I built a cold frame. Actually, Emily and I built it. Well, she just filmed me building it. But yesterday we did that, and it was pretty windy out here. Really windy out here. And so the audio was hit or miss. So here's the final product. Turned out really well, I think. So I'm going to use the video from yesterday and then just kind of do a voiceover on what I was doing so you can get the step-by-step process and kind of my thinking behind it. Now, like with everything else, at like this patio cover here, I kind of just came up with the idea in my head and I had the vision of how it was going to look, and then I just started working. I'm not, probably a typical person who actually plans it out. I kind of fly by the seat of my pants and just believe that it's going to get done one way or another, and usually it does. I was also able to reuse a lot of the wood. If you remember, just a couple of months ago, this patio cover did not look like this. It looked like this. And in the process of tearing it down, the entire roof had to come off, and that gave me quite a bit of wood to be able to use for something else. Well, this is one of those something else's that I used it for. So I'm going to take you back to yesterday and walk you through the entire process. And hopefully, if you guys have any questions about the process, leave them down in the comments, and I'll do my best to answer those. If you have any questions, there's probably going to be a lot of you that have the same questions. So if you do have a question, look in the comments first to see if I've answered it. That would save me a lot of time. I'm going to put a board across here, and the door is going to be laying on this piece of wood here, and so I need to split the difference so this isn't in the way. So I'm just going to bring this forward a little bit. Okay, so I got 4 of these and I'm turning them into these. So it's real easy to do. So hopefully that inspired you, gave you something you could do maybe on a cold winter day when you can't really go outside. Get some lumber, get in the garage, and start a cold frame of your own. So if you learned something, please give the video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you next time.